How to play 1v1 in 8 ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to play 1v1 in 8 ball pool. Playing 1v1 in 8 ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8 ball pool app. Launch the 8 ball pool app on your mobile device. Select the play option. On the main menu, you will see different game modes. Tap on play or the 1v1 option on the screen. Choose your game room. You will be presented with different rooms, each with a specific entry fee. Select a room. Pick a room that fits your coin budget. Higher tier rooms offer more substantial reward but comes with higher entry fee. Confirm your entry. After selecting a room, you will be prompted to confirm your entry fee. Make sure you have enough coins to enter the match. Matchmaking. Once you confirm your entry fee, the game will search for an opponent. It will match you with another player of similar skill level. After the match starts, you will be given the cue ball to break first. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can play 1v1 in 8 ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.